If you need to reset your password for your Merrill Lynch account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Visit the Merrill Lynch website. Go to the official Merrill Lynch website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Merrill Lynch account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.